You're watching this video because the faces you draw look like me at 2 a.m. to check on the kids in my basement. Well, today we're gonna fix that. Note that this tutorial works on both digital and traditional art forms. Okay, wait. Before starting, please get a reference from the internet, or else your drawing would look like my drawings in first grade. And to get references, only use Pinterest. Nothing else is better, and the recommendations are also very good. Okay then, let's begin, shall we? First, draw a circle. Then draw the center line a little curved because we are drawing in 3/4 view. Then draw these two curved lines for the eyes, nose, and the bottom of the mouth. Here you will get 3 parts, and they should be in a proportion of 2:1:1, meaning that the top one should be equal to the bottom 2. Then draw the ears in between the eye line and the nose line. Then make the chin and connect it to the ear with a curved line. This is your jaw. Also note that on the short side, I made the line go in and then out near the eye line and the middle of the eye and nose lines respectively, because of the cheekbones, those, I don't know what you call them. Also draw these two curved lines joining the tip of the chin to the tip of the ear. These are your cheeks. Okay, now let's start with drawing the features of the face. First, draw the nose with a long curved line and a sharp edge at the bottom. Then draw circles for eyes. Note that the distance between the eyes should be one eye, if that makes sense. Then draw a line between the cheeks, and this is your mouth for now. You can even draw those lip thingies, right? Now inside the eye circles, draw a parallelogram and smoothen the corners and make a pupil. This is your eye. Like and subscribe for eye tutorial, by the way. Now refine the shape of the head and start with the hair. I usually find the basic shapes and draw them at this point. Now color it all up and you're done. Like and subscribe for a coloring tutorial, by the way. Like and subscribe for another banger, and I will meet you in the next one.
Yeah.